tell you with the aspect of how RBI doles relief for middle class. In fact, the RBI cuts the repo rate by 25 basis points. Remember, this is the first such cut by RBI in 5 years. So big news as far as this is concerned. The repo rate now from 6.5% is at 6.25%.
The MPC decided unanimously to reduce the policy rate by 25 basis points from 6.5% to 6.25%.
Ankur Mishra, my colleague, joins me for more. Ankur, a very good morning, given the fact that we heard what the governor of RBI also had to state. But more importantly, how should this move be read?
Bank of India governor has announced a rate cut of 25 basis points. This is a policy rate whereby now the onus will be on banks to pass on this number. But interesting thing to note here is that there are two types of rates. One is MCLR and one is the fixed repo linked rate, which will be around 30 to 40% of the system. So the rates which are linked to repo will be passed on immediately because it automatically reduces by 25 basis point or 0.25%. But for other rates, the Asset Liability Committee of banks will take a call whether or not to reduce rates, because banks are already reeling in under pressure to garner deposits. There is a liquidity crunch in the system. So it will be interesting to see whether or not and how much banks actually pass on this rate cut to the end consumers. Apart from that, Reserve Bank of India governor has also targeted a growth of 6.7% for FY26. Now, this is positive for the economy because you remember in the economic survey, the guidance which was given was between 6.3 to 6.8%. So it means that Reserve Bank of India is sticking to the higher end of that target. That means there are good signs which is looking at the economy, and hence this kind of guidance has been kept. And not only that, even the inflation guidance has been kept at 4.2%, meaning the inflation which has been reeling under pressure for past few months may come under control, and that may be good news for consumers as well.
All right, Ankur, I appreciate you not only getting us the latest as far as what's being said, but more importantly, helping us draw more perspective as far as that is concerned. But for now, we leave it at that.